Welcome to Alchemy Parts, the motorbike accessory specialist. We sell a comprehensive range of switchgear that is suitable for commuter and adventure bikes, plus more specialist bikes like cafe racers, scramblers, street fighters and Project Brat bikes. They're all well made and durable, and dependent upon which ones you choose, come with the features you need, such as starter button, kill switch, indicators, horn, headlight, high and low beam, and we even sell switchgear specifically for hazard and spotlights. Our switchgear comes in different materials too, such as ABS hardened plastic, metal and billet aluminium, and for both left and right sides of your bars. Thanks for watching.